In this video, we will introduce the preparation information about AIF-C01 AWS Certified AI Practitioner exam and share free sample test to assess the knowledge. There are 4 preparation tips. 1. Create a study plan. 2. Understand the topics. 3. Hands-on practice. 4. Take practice exams. Check the table for the exam format. The exam has the following content domains. Domain 1. Fundamentals of AI and ML. Domain 2. Fundamentals of Generative AI. Domain 3. Applications of Foundation Models. Domain 4. Guidelines for Responsible AI. Domain 5. Security, Compliance, and Governance for AI Solutions. Question 1. A company has thousands of customer support interactions per day and wants to analyze these interactions to identify frequently asked questions and develop insights. Which AWS service can the company use to meet this requirement? A. Amazon Lex. B. Amazon Comprehend. C. Amazon Transcribe. D. Amazon Translate. Question 2. Which AWS service or feature can help an AI development team quickly deploy and consume a foundation model, FM, within the team's VPC? A. Amazon Personalize. B. Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart. C. Party Rock, and Amazon Bedrock Playground. D. Amazon SageMaker Endpoints. Question 3. A company wants to use a large language model, LLM, on Amazon Bedrock for sentiment analysis. The company wants to classify the sentiment of text passages as positive or negative. Which prompt engineering strategy meets these requirements? A. Provide examples of text passages with corresponding positive or negative labels in the prompt followed by the new text passage to be classified. B. Provide a detailed explanation of sentiment analysis and how LLMs work in the prompt. C. Provide the new text passage to be classified without any additional context or examples. D. Provide the new text passage with a few examples of unrelated tasks, such as text summarization or question answering. Question 4. A company has installed a security camera. A. The company uses an ML model to evaluate the security camera footage for potential thefts. The company has discovered that the model disproportionately flags people who are members of a specific ethnic group. Which type of bias is affecting the model output? A. Measurement bias. B. Sampling bias. C. Observer bias. D. Confirmation bias. Question 5. A company wants to make a chatbot to help customers. The chatbot will help solve technical problems without human intervention. The company chose a foundation model, FM, for the chatbot. The chatbot needs to produce responses that adhere to company tone. Which solution meets these requirements? A. Set a low limit on the number of tokens the FM can produce. B. Use batch inferencing to process detailed responses. C. Experiment and refine the prompt until the FM produces the desired responses. D. Define a higher number for the temperature parameter. Question 6. Which metric measures the runtime efficiency of operating AI models? A. Customer Satisfaction Score, CSAT. B. Training time for each epoch. C. Average response time. D. Number of training instances. Question 7. Which option is a benefit of ongoing pre-training when fine-tuning a foundation model, FM? A. Helps decrease the model's complexity. B. Improves model performance over time. C. Decreases the training time requirement. D. Optimizes model inference time. Question 8. An AI practitioner wants to use a foundation model, FM, to design a search application. The search application must handle queries that have text and images. Which type of FM should the AI practitioner use to power the search application? A. Multimodal embedding model. B. Text embedding model. C. Multimodal generation model. D. Image generation model. Check the following correct answers.